I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select pCloud. To get client ID in secret, please visit pCloud API Apps. Click on New App, give the meaningful app name as you want. Folder access, all folder. Write access, yes. Now click on Add New App. Click on your app. Copy client ID. And paste it here. Copy client secret. And paste it here. Copy authorized redirect URI. Then go to pCloud API Apps dashboard. Go to Setting. And paste it here. Click on Save Changes. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select field, Upload File. Select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our pCloud. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to pCloud. Thanks for watching.